Hi, I'm Josh. I'm one of the plant doctors here at the Mauna Nursery on Pyramid Highway. And today I want to talk to you guys about a very important topic for our climate, and that is starting seeds indoors. Starting seeds indoors is extra beneficial in our areas because of how cold we get in the winters. Shortens our growing season a little bit. So if you start your seeds early indoors, it allows you to grow a wider variety of plants, get bigger harvests from your crops, and earlier blooms from your flowers. So come with me and we're going to do a quick seed starting demo. Starting seeds indoors is very easy, but does require a few specific items. So one thing you'll need is a heating mat like this one here. And all this does is keep the seeds between 70 and 85 degrees. Seeds don't need light to first germinate until they breach the soil, but they do require specific temperatures. You'll also need a tray of some sort. This is a standard 1020 tray. They make a variety of inserts. You're also going to need a humidity dome of some sorts. They come in a variety of heights. Personally, I prefer the taller ones, so I don't have to change them out, or the plants don't get smushed if I forget about it. And so I'm going to demonstrate just starting a couple seeds. I have some soaking lima bean seeds. Now you don't need to soak all seeds, but it often helps with your germination rates. And I also have my favorite dibbling tool, some disposable chopsticks. I'm just going to make a small hole. I have some pre-moistened seed starter soil. This is a very basic mix. It's just peat moss, perlite, pumice, and sand. Seeds don't need any extra nutrition. They have all the nutrients they need stored inside them to get started. And in general, you want to plant your seeds 1 to 1.5 times as deep as the length of the seed itself. So these lima bean seeds are pretty large. Gonna make a nice hole in each of these cells. Drop my seed in. You can do more than one seed per cell or per hole, but many plants will get crowded and need to be thinned out if you prefer to overseed. And after they're all planted, you can either just gently cover up with some of the soil in there, or just take a little bit of additional soil, gently cover the seeds. After your seeds are planted, they're ready for the humidity dome. The clear plastic dome keeps the humidity elevated so the seedlings don't wilt and dry out. They have a chance to establish their root system so they can drink on their own. Once the seedlings breach the soil, they do immediately need light to continue growing. So if you're indoors, you can use any grow light like this grow LED here. And you'll also want something like these plant stakes so that you can label the seeds. Many seedlings are hard to identify just from their cotyledons or the first set of leaves that they push out when they breach the soil. They're not true leaves, but can still photosynthesize for the plant. For transplanting your seeds outdoors for the growing season, you'll want to harden them off in the early spring. To do that, you'll remove the humidity dome, find a sunny spot for them outside during the day, but bring them back indoors and cover them during the night. And you can do that for a little bit longer each day for a week or two. Once nighttime temperatures are consistently above freezing, you can transplant your seedlings outdoors. When you're starting seeds indoors, it'll seem like there's a near endless amount of options. For a few examples, we have some compostable cow pots that can just be transplanted directly into the ground. They break down over time. Cocoa pellets that you just hydrate and stick the seed right into. No work necessary. Your standard loose soil seed tray insert. And even color-coded seed trays can help organize all the different varieties. Remember, when starting seeds indoors, there is no right or wrong. It's not one size fits all. So be creative, be experimental, have fun with it, and just do whatever works best for you. If you have any questions or need any help, visit me or any of the other plant doctors at Moana Nursery.